Meaning of horrible.
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 Horrible. The word horrible is an adjective used to describe something that is extremely unpleasant, shocking, or disturbing. It can be used to describe a wide range of things, from a terrible smell to a terrifying experience. When something is described as horrible, it often elicits strong negative emotions such as fear, disgust, or sadness. The impact of something horrible can linger long after the initial experience and may even cause trauma. Overall, horrible is a very impactful word that conveys a sense of intense negativity and emotional distress.